Before you buy the JISULIFE 3-in-1 handheld fan, here's the real question. Is this just another tiny fan, or is it actually useful when summer gets uncomfortable? At first glance, it looks simple. A small handheld fan, a desk fan, a backup battery, and even a flashlight in one device. But small gadgets can be tricky. Sometimes they are surprisingly useful. Other times they are overhyped. So in this review, we'll keep it simple: what it claims, how it works, what buyers like, common complaints, who should buy it, and who should probably skip it. The JISULIFE 3-in-1 fan is mainly sold as a portable personal cooling gadget. The main idea is convenience. You can hold it in your hand when you're outside. You can place it on a desk while working. It can also work as a small power bank, and it has a built-in flashlight for emergencies. So the claim is not that this will cool an entire room. The claim is that it gives you portable personal airflow plus a few useful backup features in one small device. The basic idea is pretty straightforward. You charge the fan with USB, then you can use it as a handheld fan, place it on a desk, or carry it while traveling. The fan gives you direct airflow, which can help you feel cooler when it is pointed at you. It also has two extra functions. The built-in flashlight can be useful in a bag, car, or emergency kit, and the backup power feature can help charge your phone when you really need it. So this is less of a home appliance and more of a personal summer gadget. The reason people like this kind of fan is simple. It fits into real daily situations. On a commute, it gives you direct airflow when the weather is hot. At a desk, it can help you stay cool without running a big fan or AC. And while traveling, it is small enough to carry in a bag, especially if you want something lightweight and easy to use. That is the best use case here. Not cooling a whole room, just making hot moments more comfortable when you are on the go. What buyers usually like about this type of product comes down to three things. First, portability. It is small enough to carry around without thinking too much about it. Second, airflow. For a tiny fan, the airflow can feel useful when it is close to your face or body. Third, battery life. A rechargeable fan is convenient because you do not have to keep buying batteries. So the value is not in one huge feature. The value is in having a small fan that is easy to carry, easy to charge, and useful in more than one situation. But there are also a few complaints to understand before buying. The first one is noise on higher settings. Small fans can get louder than expected. The second one is battery life. Even if the battery is good overall, it usually drains faster when you use the highest fan speed. And the third issue is coverage. This is still a small personal fan. It is not meant to cool a whole room, a large office, or everyone around you. So if you expect quiet, powerful, room-wide cooling, you may be disappointed. So who should actually consider buying it? A commuter who gets hot on buses, trains, or walks outside? A desk worker who wants direct airflow while working? Or a traveler who wants a small fan that can also work as a flashlight or backup power source? Those are realistic use cases, but if you need a large fan for a bedroom or something quiet enough to run in the background all day, this may not be the best choice. This is best for people who want personal cooling, close range, and portability. Final verdict: the JISULIFE 3-in-1 handheld fan makes sense as a personal cooling gadget. It is portable, rechargeable, and useful for commuting, desk work, travel, and emergency situations, but it is not a room fan. It will not replace an air conditioner, and it will not cool a large space. So before you buy it, ask yourself one question. Do you need a fan for yourself, or do you need to cool the room? If you need personal cooling on the go, this is worth considering. If you need full room cooling, skip it and get a larger fan or a real AC.